Are you thinking about putting basement waterproofing paint on your walls? Hi, Corey here with Proven Foundation Experts, and I wanted to give you just a little bit of what you should expect if you're going to coat your walls with basement waterproofing paint and what it actually is. Okay, the first thing you need to know about basement waterproofing paint is that it probably has the largest advertising budget of any foundation repair item on the market. The reason for that is because it's not actually a repair item. All the basement waterproofing paint does is it creates this seal right along the wall, and it's basically used to prevent water from coming onto the floor. Well, that water 90% of the time is coming from these filled blocks. Well, once you've sealed this exit for where the water comes out, all you're basically doing is trapping the water inside the wall. You have not waterproofed anything. All you've done is create a reservoir for water to build up, create pressure, and then that's where we see this bubbling of the waterproofing paint where it's not adhering to the wall anymore. Okay, so anytime we go into a buy or sell transaction in the real estate industry, the first thing I look for is this basement waterproofing paint. If there's fresh paint on there, they've probably had a little leak, and if that's the only thing they've done to remedy it, then we usually alert the real estate agents that there may be a potential problem there in the future. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. If you would like more in-depth information about this, shoot me an email. I'd love to talk to you about it, answer all your questions on it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit us on Facebook, check out the website. I appreciate your time. Thank you.